Good morning. It's graduation day. Oh, right. You wanna go get food? Go potty? Ready? Oh, that's a good boy. I need to be quiet because everyone else is asleep. We're gonna make a coffee while he's outside going to the bathroom. Good morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna talk while doing my makeup, but first I am gonna put rollers in my hair because I'm gonna just do a blowout. And instead of talking through that, I'm just gonna time lapse it, drink my coffee, and try and wake up so that I can be entertaining for you, if you don't mind. So I'm gonna time lapse me doing my hair, and then I'll be back to do my makeup with you. We're back, rollers in head. I'm letting some spray set on my face. I just prepped my skin with this Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer, and then also sprayed my face with the Avion facial spray. I also wet my beauty blender. Ooh, I'm excited. We're gonna get full glam today, babe. Full glam. If you think about it, today's kind of like the most important day of my life up until this point. So as some of you may know, I'm actually graduating college a whole year early. So graduated in 3 years, which is really exciting. I'm really proud of myself for that, which is why I love talking about it. Does anyone else's Made by Mitchell concealer always have like water in it, or is that just me? I don't know what that's about. Anyways, yeah, I'm using Made by Mitchell concealer. Put it on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna use a brush and sort of pop it on all the spots that I want to conceal today. And we're gonna do foundation as well, so hopefully that'll all cover everything. Yeah, so I'm graduating a whole year early, and I sort of thought that while I get ready, do my makeup, tell you what I'm doing and everything, that we could talk about not only my experience the past 3 years, but also like how I was able to graduate early. And if you want to do it as well, this is sort of the steps I took to make that happen. Obviously, it takes a lot of work. Like, it's not just like easy. The reason why I decided to graduate early, we'll start there. I had a really hard freshman year, and I think I was scared that every year after that was going to be the same. It didn't end up being like that. But after my freshman year, I was like, get me out of here. Get me out of here. I actually couldn't tell you like when I decided, okay, I'm graduating early. Like, I don't know. Let's prep my eyelids because I do think I'm gonna do some eyeshadow today. There's a hair on my face and I can't find it. It's driving me crazy. Gonna use that same concealer brush with a MAC paint pot just on my eyelids. I did my nails. They took me forever because I did like acrylic tips, so it took so long, but I think they look really good. I'm very happy with them. I'll talk about how I graduated early quick because it's pretty simple how I did it. 5 classes is like the standard at my school. So first semester took 5 classes, second semester I took 4, and then that summer, my freshman year, I actually took 2 online classes at my local community college to make up for the fact that I only did 4 classes in the spring semester, and because I only had signed up for 4 classes for that next fall as well. So I was sort of trying to make up for lost time and stay on track. But then I sort of loved the online community college classes. So in the fall, I ended up taking three community college classes while doing 4 in-person classes at my university. So my sophomore year fall semester was pretty intense, just because I was taking 7 classes, one of them being business law or legal environment and business, which ended up pretty much being the hardest class I had to take. And then I was originally signed up for winter classes that year. I ended up dropping them and just enjoying my break. And I think I did like a normal amount of classes that spring. So I was like chilling. This summer I took 2 classes, and then I also did 5 classes in the fall, 2 classes in the winter. That's like the most intense semester. Summer's usually pretty simple, but the winter time, oh my gosh, those classes are always really intense because it's such a short time span. It's like 4 weeks. And then I did 6 classes this past semester. I'm graduating now, and I'm actually taking 2 classes, or kind of technically 3 classes this summer. So that's sort of how I did it. I'm just gonna set my eyes quick, but yeah, it was you know, hard at times. There were some classes that made it a lot harder. Worth it, I think. I mean, I don't have a job lined up yet, but I'm not even gonna think about that. That'll stress me out. This is the painted palette. I don't know if I want to promote that right now with the whole situation, but it is a good palette, honestly, and I've had it for a long time. So the reason I'm awake so early today, it's actually already 6 o'clock. Oh my gosh, it's already 6 o'clock. Okay, it's already 6 o'clock. We're leaving the house by 6:50 because my graduation starts at 9 and they want us there an hour early. So we have to be there, you know, at 8 o'clock. I live like an hour away from the school. So yeah, we're the first ceremony today. The business school, of course, always. I think I want to do like a darker outer V, so let's just do that. Oh, okay, that's not bad actually. That's not bad. I'm definitely a bit anxious, but honestly feeling good about it, and I'm excited. I don't really know anybody. I have like a couple friends that are graduating today, but other than that, like, it's just me. It's just me. I love doing my makeup so much. I don't know why people hate on... I think that is changing. Like, I feel like there was such a long period of time, and maybe that was just due to my age, that like everybody around me was so anti-makeup. I just remember it being annoying to me because I don't care what you do, but why are you hating on me? I found the fuzzy. Don't worry guys, I found the fuzzy. I haven't woken up this early in so long. It's giving Duncan, it's giving high school. I don't know. Okay, let's leave the eyes at that for right now. I might add some shimmer or something. Oh, why are there fuzzies everywhere? That's my dress back there, if you can see. Yeah, these fuzzies are driving me crazy. What foundation do I want to use? I might mix the Lancome with the Fenty. Let's do that. Yeah, we're gonna do a pump of the Lancome. Stuff is just like everywhere because I just got home on Wednesday, like super late at night. So I haven't really been able to unpack or anything. Praying that this doesn't pill. I haven't been able to figure out why sometimes my makeup pills. If this pills, I don't know what to do. Let's start blending this in. Definitely gonna need some more concealer on some spots, honestly. That's fine. After graduation, we're actually going to Texas Roadhouse, which I'm so excited for, because it was my sister's birthday, actually, on Wednesday. She doesn't live at home, obviously. She's married, so her and my brother-in-law are coming to my graduation, and then we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse, and it's gonna be freaking delicious. I love Texas Roadhouse so much. I haven't been in a really long time. I feel another fuzzy. Where do they come from? Probably my dog, actually. He sheds a lot. I swear. Yeah, I got a crazy pimple right there. Okay, I can't find my concealer, so we're just gonna open a new one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, I think I really like turned around my college experience, honestly, because at the beginning I was worried. But sophomore year and then this year, yeah, I think they turned themselves around. I'm gonna lose my mind, these fuzzies, I'm not even joking. I feel like awkwardly quiet. I'm sure you understand. Yeah. So as for post-grad, technically still a student throughout this summer. So yeah, I'm just sort of doing social media this summer again. I did it last summer as well, and it went really good for me. I have a lot planned for content this summer, and who knows, maybe I can make it a job, like a real job. We're gonna layer up for the like bronzer situation. Let's do e.l.f. Halo Glow, which I'm actually just gonna blend in with my beauty blender, which I don't usually do. Oh my gosh, time is escaping me. How is this even possible? I woke up so early. And this is the Made by Mitchell blush. Can you hear my dog snoring behind me? Dude's out right now. He was like, why'd you wake me up so early, girl? This stuff is so good. I recommend Made by Mitchell so much. I usually like to blend this in with a brush in like stippling motions like this. Yeah, it's already 6:15. Okay, there's that. Now let's do cream blush, which I'm gonna do Made by Mitchell. What can I say? What can I say except you're welcome? For this blush, it's so pretty. I just like to keep it like super far back here. We're obviously gonna go in with powder blush as well, so I don't really have to go too heavy. This blush, by the way, is in the shade A Shy Boy. The shade names are always so good too. Okay, we're getting a little bit of pilling, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much. 'Cause if I start messing with it, it's all gonna come off. It's okay. Everything's fine. Just a little patchy over here. I'm scared to blend that out. I feel like it needs more time. I have this mini Laura Mercier loose powder that I use only for special occasions. I'm not joking. And I recently got this, which has these little pads in it. And I think I want to try and use this to set my under eye. Obviously need concealer under there first. So I'm going to go in with the Alley-Oop concealer for the inner corner, the lightest part, and then the same Fit Me concealer from earlier here in the middle. Pray that the under eye turns out good, y'all. Pray that the under eye turns out good. Hair keeps getting in the way. I feel like I need more concealer. Maybe the powder will help. Okay, let's just do powder. I'm not sure about this thing. I don't know about that. Can you see him sleeping back there? Yeah, I'm not gonna use that anymore. We're gonna go in with my trusty puff instead. I don't know how I feel about the makeup, y'all. It's not makeuping the way I wanted it to make up. This powder's so good, I always forget. Okay, let's see if we can blend this concealer out on my cheek. Or my chin, I mean. Or jawline? Whatever, you know what I mean. That looks good to me. We're gonna go with it. And we're gonna set everything with Laura Mercier in the middle where I need all the help I can get. And then we're gonna use my cheaper powder for the outside of my face. Okay, so that's the Laura Mercier. Thank you for your service. Now for my cheaper powder, I'm using Coty Airspun. Of course, that's it for powder. I feel good about that. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Always love this bronzer. It's so good. What time is it? Oh, sorry. How am I running out of time? How is that even literally humanly possible? That looks good. Okay, other side. Okay, that looks good. Now we need powder blush, which I'm gonna use Milani Baked Luminoso. And we're gonna use a lot of blush because I freaking love blush. Can you hear my dog? He's like terrified of the ironing board, but he's so scared of it. And my mom just pulled it out, I think. Blush on my nose, blush on my chin. Okay. It's coming together. I need something on my lower lash line, and my eyelids are creasing. I'm just gonna messily like splash some, yeah. She's So Gone from Lemonade Mouth is currently blaring in my head for some reason. Where is my... Sorry. I genuinely can't find anything that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna use this random angled brush to do my inner corner highlight. And then I'm also gonna blend it up onto my lid, maybe a little bit. Okay, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I have no time. Okay, let's do my eyebrows. I just got this like yesterday. It's like from L'Oreal. I don't usually do my eyebrows, but I feel like this would be the time. Okay, there's that. Morphe setting spray. Benefit Gimme Brow. Okay, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner tight line. Okay, my battery died. I popped some lashes on. And I'm letting my lip stains sit for a minute. We're gonna wipe it off now. Okay, lip stain is on. Everything's a mess. I'm running out of time. Now that we're going to pinch my lashes together. Okay, that's fine. Some mascara. Okay, that's cute. Let's take out these rollers. Ow. Ow. Jeez. I see you, buddy. I do. This better look good. If this doesn't look good, I don't know what to do. I genuinely have no other plan. Ow. 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 And then I do have my cap up here so I can figure out that. So here's my hair. I'm gonna put hair oil in it really quick. I'll be right back. I need to change my earrings. I can't get it out. Okay, I'm gonna put my dress on and stuff. I'll be right back. Here's my dress. It's from Altered State. And then I'm gonna use some body glaze on my legs. Okay, tag pulled off. Great. These are my shoes. They're from New Bella. Okay, let's figure out my hair quick. This is my cap. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, that's actually cute. Okay, that actually makes my life easier, which is good because I don't have time. Just gonna use these super simple gold hoops. And I'm not gonna put my lips on right now. I'm gonna wait until I get there. Made by Mitchell lip liner and my favorite gloss. I'm gonna include pictures and stuff now, but I gotta run. I'm so late. Hey guys, so I'm back now. I'm a graduate. Ooh, yep. Look, I got the thing and everything. Anyways, I am so sorry that this video ended up being so jumbled and all over the place. That was entirely not the plan. Ugh, and it's so annoying that that's how it ended up being, but I'm craving taking my makeup off. I'm so freaking tired, but I'm gonna go. Thank you for spending the day with me and celebrating such a special day with me. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you like and of course subscribe for more videos just like this one. And if you really like me, make sure you follow me on all of my other social medias at Cassidy Lee Quinn on Instagram, at Cassidy Lee Quinn on TikTok. Go shop my closet at Cassidy Lee on Depop. So much stuff coming soon over there. And go shop my Etsy at By Cassidy Lee on Etsy, linked in the description. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you around. Bye!